Good boy. Good boy. Bring it here. You want that? You want me to throw this for you? Okay. Good boy. You did a good job. Ready? Okay. Go fetch it. Wow, what a good boy. Bring it here, buddy. Come here, Sock. Bring it here, Sock. Bring it here, buddy. We could see you. Come on, Sock. Bring it here. Wow. You are a very impressive little guy. Meow. Okay. You're a good kitty. You went and fetched this all by yourself. What kind of cat does that? This does. This kitty does. He will literally fetch all day. This is my 25th time throwing it to him in the last 2 hours. Yeah, I know I gotta give this guy a break. I try to let him rest, but sometimes he just wants to play. And he wants to play. Sock, you are amazing, buddy. You did really good. I'm very proud of you. You're a good boy. You sleepy, buddy? You look like you're tired. You want to go up here? Come on, show everybody. Show everybody how you get up here. Go ahead. Wow. Very impressive you are. What an amazing cat. He just jumps up here like no problem. Kind of impressive. And his older brother tries to attack him and he'll jump up here. And big brother can't get to him. Right? That's the good way. The peaceful way. You're a good boy. Be careful up there though. You show everybody how you can walk. That's pretty impressive. And we're about to make your video right now, so we can show everybody how well you fetch. Okay? Gotta make that apparent because you are an amazing fetcher, especially for a cat, because typically cats don't fetch. If you guys know of something different, if you know of cats that fetch, please leave it in the comments, because short of my first time playing with Sock here, I had never seen a cat go and fetch like a doggy. And he has taken place of my previous Bella, who passed away last year. And he's done a good job of filling in her role, and he doesn't necessarily require all the special maintenance a dog would, like the holding and caring and that kind of thing. He just does his own thing. When he wants you, he comes to you. When he doesn't, he'll just lay on the floor like a good kitty. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like, I think has impressive skills, and I've never seen another cat quite like him. But if you all have different opinions, please let me know. For now, Sock says, see you later. Socky. Bye, buddy.